How to structure your Google Drive folders or Dropbox folders to optimize the amount of content coming in from models. So obviously you're going to need a secure Google Drive or Dropbox or some encrypted thing that people can't just access and take a look at. Don't be getting your models to send content over fucking WhatsApp or text message or Snapchat. Like, for one, it takes the quality out of the picture, so you don't want that anyway. They need to legitimately upload it so that you can download it and get full quality out of that photo. Not only that, but for security as well, you're dealing with people's nude content. Like, it's a very, very sticky situation. If these get leaked, you're going to have a lot of legal problems very, very quickly, especially here in the UK. So many things like you don't want to fuck up. Just don't let it happen.
You need to be quite protective over their information. So obviously the model is going to be quite insecure as well, putting that content into a file. So make sure they know that it's 100% secure and that only your business has access to it. This is why it's good to have a communication chat. So she knows exactly who can access this content. Everyone that can access this content is in a chat where she can communicate with.
Yeah, so the first sort of thing would be to literally make their lives as easy as possible. So these models are fucking lazy. They can't really be asked to go through your 20 files that you want to sort out. If you want to sort out your files, so you want folder for TikTok, one for like dating apps, one for nude videos, one for fetish content, don't make her do that. All you want to have is one folder that says her name, content. Tell her upload all the content to that folder. You then sort out the content. You then arrange it into whatever fucking gay folders you want to arrange it into. Make it look all pretty for yourself for some fucking reason. If you want to organize it, that's on you. Don't make her fucking do that. It's just an extra step, an extra excuse that she has to go through. It'll take her an extra 2 minutes. Models don't want to do that. They're fucking lazy. You have to look at it from their point of view. When they're uploading content, they see it as doing you a favor. So don't just say, oh yeah, do us a favor and then do us an extra favor, an extra favor, an extra favor by going through all these folders. Just say, yeah, folder, bang. All they have to do on their phone, select 18 fucking pictures, press upload, and that's to upload, and that's it. Make it easy as possible. And then you and your team deal with all the shit after.
What you want to do is motivate the model to make content. If they're sitting there selecting every single folder to put each separate bit of content in, it's going to take them fucking ages, and they ain't got time for that. They probably do have time for that, but they don't want to do it because they're lazy. So make their life as easy as possible, and that will motivate them to make more content en masse and just dump it in a folder. I'd like to say you don't have to organize it. So a lot of people are obsessed with putting it in this folder, this folder, this folder. Yes, it does look slightly more professional, but not gonna lie, the model don't give a fuck. She just thinks content there, done. Yeah, happy, they can sort that out. If you want to just go through one folder with all her content, be like, yep, that's good, that can go on Instagram, that can go there. Do it that way. It's absolutely fine. There's no hassling about with putting it in loads of fucking different folders. It's just easy. Select it there and then put it to the appropriate platform.
Yeah, basically, to sum it up, do it yourself. These models don't care. Some of the folders you might want to create are like Instagram content, nude content, YouTube content, TikTok content. Models do not give a fuck where this content is going because they're not doing it. You're the ones doing it. So one folder, upload all the content, and then what you can do after is externally is extract that content and put it into the folders, the files, organize it the way you want and put it onto the platforms that you want. Models do not need to be a part of your processes.